Hi everyone, how are you going? I'm Richard the Meat Maester and welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite ways to prepare a chicken for the barbecue. That's right, it's the mighty spatchcock. Now firstly, what is a spatchcock chicken? So despite sounding like something you'll catch down at a dodgy pub on a Friday night, a spatchcock chicken is simply a whole chicken with the backbone removed so it can lay flat. So why do we do this? 3 reasons. Number 1, it cooks faster. Number 2, it cooks more evenly. And number 3, more crispy skin. Lovely. So, let's bone that chook. So first thing, grab yourself a lovely free range plump bird, something with a bit of pudding on it. Also, you're going to need a sharp bony knife or kitchen knife. If it's not sharp, then check the link below for my knife sharpening video. So first thing, turn the bird over on its back. And starting at the tail end, run your knife down one side of the backbone. And do the same on each side. Mark it first, so you know where you're cutting. Then, what we want to do, just using the tip of the knife, push all the way through. And do the same on the other side. Turn it around, and down the backbone again. The backbone should naturally just come out. You may need to use a knife a little bit more around that hip bone. There we go. You can save the backbone for some chicken stock sometime. Now make a small cut between the cartilage and the middle of the breast. With your fingers, you should just push that soft cartilage out. Just break it, and with your fingers, you should just pull that soft cartilage out. So, voila. Then we turn it over, and that's your spatchcock chicken. Now the chicken can lie flat, as it will increase the surface area exposed to the heat. Lovely. Now for today's marinade, I'm going to make my favorite jerk chicken marinade. All right. Okay, 6 spring onions, roughly chopped. 1 medium brown onion, roughly chopped. 4 garlic cloves crushed. A tablespoon of fresh ginger. 2 whole chillies. A heaped teaspoon of dried thyme. A tablespoon of ground allspice. A teaspoon of cinnamon. Half teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. A tablespoon of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. A tablespoon of vinegar. Teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of veggie oil. And now we give it a good blend. Smells amazing. Now we're ready to marinate this beautiful bird with our lovely marinade, and we're going to cover every inch of it. Bottoms up. Get in every nook and cranny of this beautiful bird. So you can marinate this for a couple hours. I'm going to leave it overnight. 24 hours is best to get that flavor all through the chicken. I'm going to put this in a plastic bag so the chicken can marinate in the bag a little bit easier. Okay, I'm going to look forward to barbecuing this beautiful bird tomorrow. We'll see you there. Okay, our beautiful spatchcock jerk chicken's been marinated overnight, about 15 hours now. You can see this is where we've taken the backbone out, so when we lay it flat on the barbecue, it's going to cook evenly. Now to help with our chicken jerk, I've got some water here, some peppercorns, a lot of allspice, some dried thyme, some bay leaves, some ginger, and the secret ingredient, some whiskey barrel wood chips. We're just going to stir this up. So we're going to leave this for a couple of hours. So what we've done here, we've added some aromatic herbs and spices to our whiskey barrel wood chips and some water. So what's going to happen is over the next hour or so, the whiskey chips are going to soak in all those flavors. We're going to drain our wood chips and all the spices and the wood chips that we're going to put on the coals. Make sure the coals aren't too hot, by the way, or else it'll burn too quick. And all the smoke's going to come through to smoke our jerk chicken while we're cooking it. It's going to be just amazing. Okay, get your barbecue hot, around 180 to 220 degrees. No barbecue? No problem. The oven works perfectly too. Check the comments below for all the details. It's a perfect caramelization. No nights. So we want to continue to smoke and cook our chicken for the next half an hour until we get to about 68 degrees. You can take it off and let it rest. Okay, we've got our beautiful barbecue jerk smoked chicken here. Oh, I love the jerk chicken. Oh yes. We're just going to finish off with some lovely green Tabasco sauce, which gives a nice little tangy lime spice to it. Just love a bit of jerk chicken. Baka!